Pack number 153, 7 of 7 on this Hustle and Show. We were able to buy 4 in the queue, and 3 were dropped to us for having the Hustle and Show set. And this is kind of a tough one because the Hustle and Show Series 3 are only worth 2 collector score each. So it's really bad, but it's a easy set to complete, and when people realize the utility of completed sets, eventually more and more people will do it. Although the bottlenecks for this, you might have over 10,000 challenge completions for these. So it'll be, I don't know, might not run up that much. Number 1, Low Serial Cleveland. Is this an Evan Mobley? Is this an Evan Mobley rookie? Holy moly's. Wow. How lucky is that? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that's awesome. So, I pulled an Evan Mobley in the first series 3 pack release 1s, and everybody was saying, look, there's so much more supply to come. Dump them and buy it back later. I dumped it for like $250, and it ran up over $500, and I was kicking myself for that one. So this is an awesome pull. I'm not going to sell this one for sure. Wow. So now we have a Evan Mobley. I also pulled a Josh Giddey in a previous pack, and one or 2 others that weren't nearly as high. Man, that's awesome. Wow. The best possible, I think, Series 3 pull you can pull is the Evan Mobley. Next up, Kobe White. Kobe's kind of buried behind a lot of other talent on the team, but he can play. I bought his Top Shot debut for like $800, and now you can buy it for, I don't know, 60 or 70 probably. Next up, Dallas Mavericks, High Serial, Boban. It's weird that this guy ever lays it up. Marjanovic. Next up, High Serial, Washington, Montrezl Harrell. 3 packs in a row. And last up, the Hustle and Show. I don't even remember who's left to get. Denver Aaron Gordon. All right, so we got 7 different Hustle and Shows. Today's a good Top Shot day, guys. All right. Man, gotta love Top Shot. See you guys.